Hey guys, in this video we're going to cover how much you can realistically make selling followers on Instagram. In the previous video we looked at how to actually get started selling followers on Instagram, the steps to take, and why people even go out to buy followers. And I showed you the steps to actually take in order to buy followers on Instagram and how you can actually make money from it. And that is what inspired this video, because in this one I'm going to be showing you how much you can realistically make selling followers on Instagram, and then you can fully decide for yourself if this is something that you want to do. Like I mentioned in the last video, which I'm going to link somewhere on the screen, this is a side hustle that you can use to make a good amount of money for yourself. And because there's a huge market for this out there, you are always going to be able to find people who need this service, and you can sell it to them and make good money for yourself. So if you like this video, you like content like this, go ahead to do the following, right? Make sure you drop this comment below. Drop the comment Instagram money, and I can pick one person out of the commenters who is going to get my course on how to go about doing this. And then make sure that you subscribe to the channel already, like the video, and turn on the notifications so you get notified once the next video drops on the channel. Now let's get into the video fully. So the first thing that some people might probably have been asking, and some people reached out to me after the last video to ask, is that is there really a market for buying and selling Instagram followers? And the truth is, there is actually a huge demand for Instagram followers online. All you have to do is simply do a YouTube search, and you're going to see tons of videos of people teaching how to actually get Instagram followers. In fact, if you made a video on how to grow on Instagram, it's guaranteed that you're going to start getting some views immediately you put out that video, pertaining to the fact that you put out some very good information. You are definitely going to get some views. And that's just to show you that there's a huge demand for people who want to grow on Instagram. Now, coupled with this demand, like I addressed in the last video, is the fact that some people who want to grow, do not want to grow organically, which means that they do not want to waste time doing it, and B, some other people just have an ego issue, meaning that they just have this need to appear big, right? They need that social proof. And for this set of people, buying followers is what works for them, is what they want, right? It's not a matter of is it good or is it bad or is it legal or illegal. It's just what they want. And some people have money to pay in order to get what they want. So if you do a YouTube search, you're going to see a lot of videos of people teaching organic methods on how to grow on Instagram, teaching you the common things like using good hashtags, using things like influencers, using pods, and even using ads, using just different stuff to grow online. And then if you also want to check if there's a huge demand for this market, all you have to do is visit any of the app stores. You can either go to the Android Play Store, or you can go to the iOS App Store, and you're going to see lots of different apps that promise you that you can get huge amounts of followers online. So that is just to show you that there is actually a huge demand for growing Instagram followers. Now, the reality of the matter is that you can make good money selling Instagram followers as a service. You can actually make, I dare say, you can actually make a full-time income doing this for yourself. If you dedicate yourself and you actually take this seriously, you can make a lot of money for it, because based on just the demand for it and the amount that people are willing to pay, you can actually make a lot of money with this. Now, there are two methods to go about doing this successfully. There is the grow and sell method, and then there is the done for you method. So let's look at the grow and sell method. The grow and sell method is where you grow or buy pages and then you sell them off. So in this method, what you're simply doing is you are growing Instagram accounts. So let's say you have a bunch of Instagram accounts that you own or you manage. You simply grow these accounts to a certain level, meaning you actually buy followers, or you do all that is necessary to get them to like 10k, 20k, 50k and above. And then you sell off these accounts. There are people that this is their full-time business, right? This is what they do. They just grow accounts. They create an account and then they grow it and then they sell it off. Now, the thing with this method is that it is a quicker method, but it involves more risk and resources. So it's quicker in the sense that let's say somebody reached out to you and the person quickly wants to buy a 10k account. The person doesn't want to take time to actually grow the account, and he just has the cash to pay at that moment. Or, he just flips account. He just wants to buy from you and sell quickly to somebody else. This is a quicker method, because if you already have a bigger account, you can simply just sell to that person, hand over the logins, and then the deal is done. The person makes the money transfer, and you have your cash at hand. So it's a quicker method. But where it comes to growing this account, you're going to have to spend money, you're going to have to spend time in order to grow it. And the fact that you have a lot of accounts means that it's quite risky. You can get risky and you can actually lose your accounts if you have so many logins that you're always logging in and logging out of. So it's a lot more risky using the grow and sell method, even though that's what some people do for their Instagram. Now, for the done for you method, this is where you grow someone's current page for them. In this method, what you're simply doing is like what I've described for you, right? So someone reaches out to you that they want to grow their Instagram, and then you start helping them grow their Instagram. So you're growing it gradually, let's say from 1K to 2K to 5K to 10K to maybe 20K or 50K if they so wish, or if they so desire, and if they have the money to pay for it. Now, this is the more preferred option because in this case, you have less risk, right? There is less of your money involved. You don't have to go up front and start spending money to build accounts, and you're not going to have to start managing like huge portfolio of accounts, making sure that, you know, they are getting the right type of followers and stuff like that. So this is the much preferred option. Again, there's something I want to say here which I didn't put on the slide, and that is for a business that is trying to grow, most people look to get at least 10K followers, right? Getting 10K followers is like the beginning point, or what some people actually try to achieve, because once you reach 10K, you achieve some features, you unlock some features on your Instagram. For example, on your stories, you are able to do the swipe up feature, and then 10K. So once it passes 10K, right? Normally, if you check your Instagram, you're going to notice that for the accounts fewer than 10K, it says the exact number. So it says like maybe 9,000 something, maybe 9783 or 8654, or, you know, you get that number spelled out. But once you cross 10K, it just shows 10 and the number K. So if you are now at 11 or 12 or something, it just shows 11.6 or 11.5, or, you know, you get that kind of stuff. So it doesn't like write out the exact number on the account once you pass 10K. So that is part of the advantages that people look for, or part of the reasons why they go for actually getting their accounts over 10K. And then also, like I mentioned in the last video, the social proof thing, the authority, trust, and curiosity factor. Now, for every 10K followers that you sell, you can make 100,000 in Naira. That's about $200. And this is in pure profit, right? After everything that is involved, after you've gotten your money from the person that wants to buy the account, and you've done the whole process and gotten them over 10K, you stand to get you stand to get 100,000 Naira in profit from selling 10K. Meaning that if you are able to sell up to 10K total in followers, that comes out to about 1 million Naira in profit, or $2,000 in profit. Now, this doesn't mean that one individual or just one person has to buy this entire followers from you. It could be multiple people buying these followers from you, but the fact that you're able to sell up to 100K followers means that this is the amount that you can make for yourself as profit. Now, if you're ready to make millions selling Instagram followers, I want you to go ahead and click the first link below, because I've created a short guide. I'm creating a short guide, depending on when you watch this video, that's going to teach you how to do this for yourself. In that guide, you're going to learn how to find people who want to buy followers, because trust me, there are a lot of people who want to buy this kind of followers. I've already told you that there's a huge demand for it. So you're going to learn how to find those people who want to buy followers. You're going to learn how to convince them that your service works. You're going to learn how to convince them to pay you money to actually buy followers. And then you are going to learn how to buy the followers and send it to them. And you're also going to learn how to do this multiple times and make more money. I have to say at this point that these followers that we're buying are not bots, right? If you get the guide, you're going to see how these followers are actually acquired, just to show you that these are actually real followers. These are not bot accounts that are fake followers. These are actual followers, actual human beings running this account. And you're going to learn how to do this if you click the first link below. It's available at a price that literally anybody on the internet can afford, and you can simply get started by clicking that first link below. So if you enjoyed the video so far and you want to see me talk more about content like this, do make sure to like the video, comment down below, and share your thoughts, right? Feel free to let me know. I read all the comments and I interact with you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, do subscribe, and I will leave the links to the other videos on the screen so you can go ahead and watch it if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.